Hi everybody, and welcome to Outdoor Ed with Mary. This week we've got a creature feature. This animal is incredibly common, adaptable, and some might even say cute. It's the North American raccoon. Raccoons are in the family Procyonidae, which means their cousins are tree-climbing tropical mammals such as the ringtail and the kinkajou. They are the only members of this family that live in North America. And wow, they do live almost everywhere in the United States. Raccoons are what we call a generalist species. This means that they can live in a variety of environments and eat a wide variety of foods. They're not picky. Raccoons can be found living in cities, suburbs, farmlands, and their favorite, moist woodlands. They like to build their dens in trees, but will also live in caves, barns, garages, sewers, houses, even in the burrows that other animals have left behind. Maybe you've even seen a raccoon living somewhere unusual near you. Raccoons are not picky eaters. They're omnivores, which means they eat plants and animals. A few raccoon favorites include eggs, insects, fish, clams, grains, nuts, fruit, and whatever happens to be in your trash can. Speaking of raccoon eating habits, I just found out about a raccoon myth. Raccoons can often be found dunking their food into water, and people have long believed that they were washing their food. Their scientific name, Procyon lotor, translates to washing bear. But scientists have discovered that this behavior isn't what it seems. Raccoon eyesight is not that great, but they do have very special paws. When they get the hairless pads on the inside of their hands wet, they become extra sensitive. Then they can use these sensitive hands to feel their food and decide if it's something good to eat. And searching for food isn't the only thing their paws can do. Their fingers enable raccoons to manipulate objects like jars, boxes, doorknobs, and latches. Maybe this is how they make their way into our trash cans, garages, and homes. Other than their little human-shaped paws, another feature that makes raccoons special are their face masks. Humans have often thought this mask made raccoons look like little robbers, but they actually have a purpose. Have you ever seen a professional football player with black paint under their eyes? They do this because the color black absorbs sunlight and it keeps the glare out of their eyes. Raccoon masks do the same thing. Now it's time for 5 raccoon fast facts. Fact number 1, raccoons are excellent swimmers. Fact number 2, raccoons are nocturnal, meaning they go out at night and sleep during the day. Fact number 3, a group of raccoons is called a gaze. Fact number 4, U.S. President Calvin Coolidge had a pet raccoon named Rebecca that lived in the White House. And fact number 5, the English word raccoon comes from the Powhatan word a raccoon, which means animal that scratches with its hands. And now, my Fernleaf correspondent Sophia is going to show us how to draw a raccoon.
So first you're going to want to draw a rough shape of the head of the raccoon. You're going to want to add your first ear right here. The shape is like the shape of a dog head. It's like ovalish, but like you've got a few different parts to it. And you want to draw the mask on the face. It's smaller than you'd think. And then we can add a little smile. And then the other ear will go behind it. And then with your first ear, you can draw like a little thing inside. And we are going to draw the tail. We're going to want to, it looks like a foxtail. It's like really bushy and adorable. And they have striped tails. So every other one you can make a little stripe for. We got some stripies. Now we're going to want to make like a cat-like shape, almost, for his body. And then for his little legs, you're going to want to come down and make like that. And you can add like a little paw. And the same thing for the second one. The third one. And we're only going to make 3 because it look weird with 4. And then they have a little white spot on their bellies. And then they've got black spots. And then the rest of them is gray. Add different colors. You can make him brown. As long as it's your creation and you think it's good, that's all that matters. Bye, guys.
Thanks, Sophia. All right, friends, that's it for this week. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.